What are the legal boundaries for self-defense? Imagine finding yourself in a situation where your safety is at immediate risk. The decisions you make in that critical moment can have lasting legal consequences. Understanding the boundaries of self-defense is essential to ensure your actions are justified under the law and to avoid potential legal trouble. Self-defense is generally recognized as the right to protect oneself from imminent harm using reasonable force. The key term here is reasonable, which means the force used must be proportional to the threat faced. If someone is attacking you with their fists, responding with deadly force might not be justified unless you believe your life is in immediate danger. Conversely, if an attacker is wielding a weapon or using deadly force, responding with similarly lethal measures may be considered reasonable. Legal boundaries for self-defense often depend on the concept of immediacy. The threat must be happening at the moment of self-defense. Preemptive strikes or retaliation after the threat has subsided are typically not justified. Additionally, the law usually requires that the person claiming self-defense had no reasonable means of retreating or escaping the situation, especially in jurisdictions that follow the duty to retreat principle. However, some regions do not impose this duty, allowing individuals to stand their ground if they are in a place where they have a legal right to be. Another important aspect is the castle doctrine, which permits individuals to use force without retreating when they are inside their own home. This doctrine recognizes a person's right to defend their residence and possessions against intruders. Similarly, some jurisdictions have stand your ground laws that eliminate the duty to retreat in any place where a person has a legal right to be, provided the force used is reasonable. It is also crucial to understand that self-defense cannot be used as an excuse for excessive or retaliatory violence. The force must cease once the threat is neutralized. Using force beyond what is necessary to stop the threat can lead to criminal charges such as assault or manslaughter. In summary, the legal boundaries for self-defense revolve around proportionality, immediacy, and necessity. Actions taken must be reasonable under the circumstances, and the threat must be imminent. Knowing these principles helps individuals act within the law while protecting themselves effectively.